just chilling here in the waiting area at Integrity Facility Solutions in downtown Dallas. Come along with us. We're going to give you a little bit of a tour. So we're going to be heading over here. We've got the executive suite here for conferences when people come in. We have the play area, which is the R&R area with amazing bean bags that I hear that Debbie's really tried out. They're actually pretty amazing. You can get lost in them with a television. So, you know, there's concepts here about thinking big, and you're going to see inspiration all over the walls as we travel through this facility. This here is the orientation room. It's also the event room. Pretty grand as far as I'm concerned. You've got large-scale TVs, you've got very comfortable seating, and you have the ability to be able to provide podcast and education and orientation, which is amazing. You've got good views, open space, and lots of room for all these employees that you're going to bring in. So we're going to go around the corner here, and we're going to walk into the next signage, which just says, "Welcome to the next level." This is kind of the sales department here on the right-hand side of the building, which they have some beautiful views of downtown Dallas to work off of their inspiration and find all those commercial contracts. We walk down through here and we find another conference area that's called the Dream Builders. Every room has a concept behind it, but it also is led with inspiration, whiteboards, and things like that to be able to inspire the employees here to dream. You've got Scott here. Scott's in charge of the national accounts for Integrity Facility Solutions. He's got a big task on his hands, obviously because they are a large-scale building. The offices that you see here down the hallway are more or less the accounting and the finance department here at Integrity Facility Solutions. They actually even have a gym, which I think is pretty amazing, so you can work out during your lunch breaks and you can play. We're actually going to dip in here to the inspiration room, which is another conference room, and tell you the one thing that sparked my interest when I walked into this room was the fact that there are several books that are here on the desk for his staff that just try to inspire them to build more business concepts and the power of one more, the ultimate guide to happiness and success, high performance habits, and getting things done, the art of stress-free productivity. All very good books that Dan is inspiring. You look at the signage again. DISH, Dream Builders, help others achieve their dreams. I, inspiring, lead so others will follow. S, servant leaders, real leaders eat last. And H, humble, honorable, start humble, finish honorable. Just don't take it, dish it out. So the last thing we're going to kind of dip in here and show you is a real live podcast right here on site. So the Cleaning Hustle is based here in Dallas, and that is something that Dan and his team here at Integrity Facility Solutions does. But today you have the special eye peek of the Profitable Cleaner, who is also a podcast based in Denver, Colorado, and is remotely moving around the United States right now. So they're here on site working hand in hand with the Cleaning Hustle to provide a podcast. So today you're seeing some of our friends in the industry here doing an interview with James and Angel. That is Raquel. She's based here in Dallas. And then you have Carla here on the left-hand side. Carla's based in LA, and Vadimir's down there, and he's the one that's working on the production on the back end. So I think the last thing is basically to kind of wrap up the whole thing is that this signage means everything. Some people dream of success and others make it happen. And that's what's happening here at Integrity Facility Solutions in downtown Dallas. So we're going to walk this way and take a look at this amazing view over here on the other side of the building. We are on the top floor, the 20th floor of this building in downtown Dallas, and you can see everything from here. Hey guys, we hope that you enjoyed your tour here of Dan Schindler's office for Integrity Facility Solutions in downtown Dallas. Stay tuned because there's a lot of big things coming your way with him.